Hey students, welcome to NCERT ऑडियो बुक। हम क्लास 11 का चैप्टर 2 देख रहे थे, बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन। इसमें आज हम 3 पार्ट रीड करने वाले हैं, किंगडम प्लांटी, किंगडम एनिमेलिया एंड वायरसेस, वायरॉइड्स एंड लाइकेन। नाउ लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द किंगडम प्लांटी। 2.4 Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms commonly called plants. A few members are partially heterotrophic such as the insectivorous plants or parasites. Bladderwort heterotrophic such as the insectivorous plants or parasites. Bladderworts and Venus flytrap are examples of insectivorous plant, and Cuscuta is the and Venus parasite. The plant cell have an eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplast and cell wall, mainly made of cellulose. You will study the chloroplast and cell wall, mainly made of cellulose. You will study the eukaryotic cell structure in detail in chapter 8. Plantae include algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Life cycle of plants has two distinct phases: the diploid, so porophytic, and haploid gametophytic, that alternate with each other. The lengths of the haploid and diploid phases, and whether these phases are free living or dependent on others, vary among different groups in plants. This phenomenon is called alternation of generation. You will study further details of this kingdom in chapter 3. Kingdom 2.5 Kingdom Animalia. This kingdom is characterized by heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms that are multicellular and their cells lack cell walls. They directly or indirectly depend on the plants for food. They digest their food in an internal cavity and stores food reserves as a glycogen or fat. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic, by ingestions of food. They follow a definite growth pattern and grow into adults that have a definite shape and size. Higher forms show elaborate sensory and neuromotor mechanisms. Most of them are capable of locomotion. The sexual reproduction is by copulation of male and female, followed by embryological development. Silent features of various phyla are described in chapter 4. 2.6 Viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens. In the five kingdom classification of Whittaker, there is no mention of lichens and some acellular organisms like viruses, viroids, and prions. These are briefly introduced here. All of us who have suffered all the ill effects of common cold or flu known what effect viruses can have on us, even if we do not associate it with a conditions. Viruses did not find a place in classifications since they are not considered truly living. If we understand living as those organisms that have a cell structure, the viruses are non-cellular organisms that are characteristic by having an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Once they infect the cell, they take over the machinery of the host cell or replicate themselves, killing the host. Would you call viruses living or non-living? The name viruses, that mean virions or poisonous fluid, was given by Dmitry Levensky in 1892, recognized certain microbes as casual organisms of the mosaic disease of tobacco. These were found to be smaller than bacteria because they passed through bacteria-proof filter. M.W. Beijerinck in 1898 demonstrated that the extract of the infected plants of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants and called the fluid as Contagium vivum fluidum, infectious living fluid. W. M. Stanley in 1935 showed that viruses could be crystalline and crystals consist largely of proteins. They are inert outside their specific host cell. Viruses are obligate parasites. In addition to proteins, viruses also contain genetic material that could be either RNA or DNA. No virus contain both DNA, RNA and DNA. A virus is a nucleoprotein and the genetic material is infectious. In general, viruses that infect plants have single stranded RNA, and viruses that infect animals have either single or double stranded RNA or double stranded DNA. Bacterial viruses or bacteriophages, viruses that infect the bacteria, are usually double stranded DNA viruses. The protein coat, called capsid, made up of small subunits called capsomere, protects the nucleic acid. These composomere of capsomere are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms. Viruses cause disease like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS in the human is also caused by virus. In plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing and vein clearing, deforming and stunted growth. Virions. In 1971, T.O. Diener discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses and caused potato spindle tuber disease. It was found to be a free RNA. It lacked of protein coat and that is found in viruses, hence the name is virions. The RNA of the virions was low molecular weight. Prions. The modern medicine, certain infectious neurological diseases were found to be transmitted by the agent constituting of abnormally folded protein. The agent was similar in size to viruses. These agents were called prions. The most notable disease caused by prions and bovine spongiform encephalopathies, commonly called mad cow disease in cattle, and its analogous variant CR Jacob disease in humans. Lichens. Lichens are symbiotic association, that is mutual useful association between algae and fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiodont and fungal component is called mycobiodont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorb minerals, nutrients and water for its partner. So close their association that if one saw a lichen in nature would never imagine that they had two different organisms within them. Lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas. Here the second lesson is completed. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If that type of the videos are beneficial to you, then please like, share and subscribe it.